So as you know, recently it was Black Friday, Cyber Monday and all those things, so I decided to get a new stabilization device. Thank you! No, I'm just kidding, I didn't really get a scooter, but I did get a stabilization device, just slightly more advanced. There it is. I've been dying to open that box for about 2 or 3 days, I don't know. I couldn't open it because this morning I had an exam at school, so I thought it was a better idea not to open it, otherwise I wouldn't have studied that exam, so finally able to open that. So yes, let's jump into the unboxing, but wait a minute. So, you know what's in the box. Yes, honestly, you know it. The DJI RONIN-S. Let's open that box. So excited. Adapter. I'm not really safe with that knife, but yeah, whatever. It's really like early Christmas, but yeah. Here we are. RONIN-S. So cool, so cool. As you can see, I'm pretty excited about that product, but yes. Ba-ba-ba-ba. I hope there was nothing left in that box, but the phone case. Let's open that. So sick. I'm so excited. That's so cool. First things first, I will see if the battery is charged. It's empty. So yes, I suppose the charger is in there. Ooh, all the accessories. The battery / grip feels so good. How many miles of scratch? I don't know. It's bigger than I thought. So yes, let's charge it up because, you know, I kinda wanna use it, and with an empty battery that will be harder. So yes, here is the charged gimbal. That's not my main camera at all, but you know, my main camera is there, so I mean, that thing is so cool. I already knew it was a good gimbal, but like using it in reality, it's like so great. That is so smooth. If you wanna buy a gimbal, go with that one, definitively. So yes, I already went outside and shot a few things. So yes, here is the little cinematic I shot outside. So yes, this gimbal is like so cool. It works super well, and as you see, it's really steady. Even when I run. It works so well. And yes, DJI, great job, really nice gimbal. Even though it's pretty heavy, vlogging with one hand, whew, that's heavy, but that is not a big deal considering I don't vlog a lot anymore. So yes, I want to make a full review on it because there are already plenty of them on YouTube. So if you wanna see a full review look for that on YouTube. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment also. Yes, you know what to do. And I will see you guys in the next one.